and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you again about the 5th generation RAV4. Now, today I want to cover limited service campaign 25TT01. Now, this covers 2019 through 2024 RAV4s because I believe they implemented this on the production line for the 2025 RAV4s. Now, this also covers 2021 through 2024 RAV4 primes, through 2024 Highlander all-wheel drive hybrids, 2021 through 2024 Venzas, which are all hybrids as well, and 2023 through 2024 Crowns, which are the hybrid models. So that totals, it looks like about 1 million vehicles on this recall or on this service campaign. What you're going to experience, if you haven't already experienced this, is your car may not start. You may get a warning in the dash, or you could have static on your AM radio stations. So if you have a hybrid 5th gen RAV4, turn on your AM station, and when you're under power, meaning not sitting still, but when you give it throttle to move, if your AM radio station fades away to static, then you need to see your Toyota dealer to get this repair done. Now, they've had multiple fixes, as I discussed in my 100,000 mile review of this vehicle. They've had multiple fixes. I believe this is number 5 or number 6 in the total fixes for this issue, and this should be the last one they need to do. Now, we'll get under the car shortly and show you what they've done, and I'll put this up on the screen so you can see it. But the remedy here is they're going to put a harness seal, a rubber harness seal around all the wiring where it connects to MGR, which is the motor generator rear on the RAV4 hybrids or the other vehicles I mentioned. And then they're also going to put sealant in all the connections so that nothing can penetrate into that connector and cause corrosion. It's very important if you get the limited service campaign, if Toyota reaches out to you to get this done to your vehicle, the 25TD01, it's very important you get this done because you'll go from 8 years, 100,000 mile warranty to a 10 years unlimited mile warranty for this issue. And this issue can be very costly. It can be up to $5,000 to $6,000 to get done. And I've heard up to $10,000 to get done on a RAV4 Prime. I guess the batteries are larger. Maybe there's extra cables on that vehicle. I don't know, but I've seen quotes much higher. So Toyota, in my opinion, is doing the right thing. As usual, it took them a little while to get to the right solution for this, but they are getting it done. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments. It's hard to get it all into a video. I'm just doing the best I can. But I'll crawl under the vehicle now and we'll show you what ours looks like. I'm also going to put up a few pictures of what I found on the internet to show you what other people's repairs have looked like. So I don't know what ours looks like yet. It may look different from these other pictures that I'm showing you. Okay, so when you get under the rear of your 5th generation RAV4, there will be a cover that you need to remove with a few 10mm bolts and some push pins. Once you get that out of the way, this is what it looks like post service campaign. You can see a little bit of the black epoxy here and a little bit up there by the gasket. So what they did, and let me put in a video of what they sent me that shows you both the before and after. So this is the after. They put the epoxy or the sealant into these two areas and then they put it back together. They also took off this cover here and they put a rubber sleeve around all of the wiring. So I'll put in a picture of what that looks like from the other side. I'm not going to get into this to show you, but it's just a black rubber sleeve protecting all of the metallic net essentially that goes out there to reduce EMF. So I'm happy with how everything looks on here, so I'm going to put the cover back on there. And again, I recommend everyone follow through on the service campaign. If you experience any of the issues, or if you get the notification in the mail, if you can get it done, you need to get it done. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you guys.